payments giant Mastercard buying CipherTrace, a firm that scans blockchains for illicit transactions, at a time when a number of governments and banks look to ramp up monitoring and compliance. The surprise acquisition gives Mastercard the ability to track over 900 cryptocurrencies. Details of the acquisition were not disclosed, though comes after Daniel Loeb's Third Point Ventures led a $27 million investment in CipherTrace in June. And joining us now to discuss is CipherTrace CEO Dave Jevans. Welcome to the show, Dave. Very timely to have you here. Congratulations. Are you able to disclose a few details on how much this acquisition was for and how this all came about?
Well, it's great to be with you today. This acquisition came about through many months of work with Mastercard. We did initial prototypes as having them, be a customer of ours. We work with banks, cryptocurrency companies, government agencies, and we did a lot of really interesting research with the team to become a customer. And over the following months, they decided they wanted to be more than a customer. So we've had a lot of time to work with the team, It's been a cool journey.
It's interesting you say you've been in discussions for several months because you just raised $27 million in June. Did you anticipate this happening at the time?
No, we didn't. So things went pretty quickly with the team. So we thought that they were going to be a customer. Then we thought they were going to be an investor. And then things moved forward from there, where we saw a real synergy to bring these two companies together, to bring crypto to the mainstream, to over 20,000 banks, government agencies, to leverage the synergies between the companies around AI, machine learning, anti-fraud technologies.
Mm-hmm. Your competitor Chainalysis just raised $100 million in a Series D round that valued the firm at $2 billion. Any idea what CipherTrace is valued at?
Yes.
I can tell. I'm trying to figure out. Everyone wants to know.
Good try.
Okay, fair enough. I have to at least try. All right. So
you have to try.
Why does Mastercard need a crypto intelligence firm?
I think this is basically a recognition that crypto is going to be part of the mainstream financial services market, whether it's settlement, clearing, or investment, or even like what we're seeing in El Salvador is a legitimization of cryptocurrencies, and particularly Bitcoin in that case, as legal tender. The major payment networks are going to have to participate in this huge revolution. And Mastercard is one of the biggest payment networks on the planet. They have over 500 million customers and 20,000 banks. It's the right solution. And we feel like this is a big step in the legitimization of virtual currencies, cryptocurrencies, and we're super excited to bring this to the world. I think it brings our product that we've worked on for so many years into the market in a big way globally, and we get to leverage a lot of the strengths of the company as well around anti-fraud, anti-money laundering,
right.
And really legitimize Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies.
So in July, Mastercard said it would be piloting USD Coin to bridge crypto users with merchants. In February, Mastercard said it was planning to let merchants accept crypto through its network by the year's end. Can you add anything more about their strategy in entering the digital asset space?
I can't add anything to that at this point. We're still in a period of bringing the companies together. But I think, as you can see from the previous announcements that have been made public, that the company has a very forward-leaning posture on bringing crypto and digital assets to the marketplace.
Mm-hmm. And what will be your role after the acquisition?
Well, I'm going to be at Mastercard for a couple of years here at least, and hopefully longer than that. We are going to be integrated into the company, which I think is awesome for any financial institution that wants to deploy crypto assets, because they'll be so easy to buy from us. I think it's super powerful that way. I also feel like being able to bring the research and development capabilities of Mastercard into CipherTrace is going to be a fantastic opportunity as well. Mastercard's got an R&D facility there that has done a lot of work in blockchain and has filed many patents. So we feel like there's a lot of intellectual synergy as well as sales synergy. And I'm really looking forward to continuing to run the company under the Mastercard brand and then help them really scale this to the world.
What can you say about security and privacy as this partnership and this acquisition takes place?
Well, as you know, CipherTrace has really been about protecting privacy and security of our customers and of individuals. So yes, we do provide capabilities for example, banks or cryptocurrency exchanges or law enforcement to understand where funds flow across the cryptocurrency environment and the world. We've also been leaders in travel rule and are sponsors of the TRISA Travel Rule Information Sharing Alliance. But we believe privacy is of absolute importance across the world. So GDPR in Europe, United States privacy. So we feel very strongly about privacy, and I think Mastercard feels the same way. So this is not about any way exploiting privacy. This is really like increasing it.
Okay, and there are a lot of security concerns with all these ransomware attacks happening as digital currencies are used more and more. I'm going to take one last stab at this, Dave, but Chainalysis was valued at about $2 billion. Can you give a ballpark? Is it more or is it less with CipherTrace?
We're not playing that game. I'm sorry.
Dave, I'm trying.
We'll say we're all happy.
Thumbs up if it's more. Blink twice.
Everyone's happy.
All right, Dave. Thank you very much.
We're really excited about this. We're really excited about the move. I think this really brings the market into focus here of having a big company, one of the biggest payment providers on the planet Earth, bringing crypto to all of their customers. Like, this is a wonderful thing.